In today's fast-paced world, time is our most valuable asset. But what if I told you that you could earn money while you sleep? That's the power of passive income, and affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to harness it. By promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels, you can earn commissions on autopilot even when you're not actively working. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is its scalability. You can start small, promoting products in a niche you're passionate about, and gradually expand your reach to target larger audiences. Plus, there's virtually no limit to how much you can earn. With the right strategies and dedication, affiliate marketers have the potential to earn 6 or even 7 figures annually. So, how do you get started? It's simpler than you might think. Choose a niche that interests you and research affiliate programs that offer products or services related to that niche. Sign up for those programs, create compelling content to promote the products, and watch the commissions roll in. It's a low-cost, low-risk way to start earning extra income, and with consistency and perseverance, you can achieve financial freedom. Stay tuned for the video, where we'll explore the world of network marketing and how you can leverage it to supercharge your earning potential.